But I didn't see your belly button. Oh my goodness.
I'll show you later, Mom.
You don't have to show me. I can see it right now.
Hello, Hunnay!
Hello, Hunnay!
In these last 3 trimesters, Mama Mai, you've been very vocal. How I feed the baby, how I take care of the baby, how much the baby sleep, what clothes to buy the baby. She has all these rules and ideas of how baby J should be raised. I've also been reading a lot of books and watching a lot of YouTubes and talking to a lot of friends I respect that are parents, and I do not agree with a lot of what my mom says. I thought it'd be a good idea to sit down and talk about how we plan to raise baby J as a family.
Okay.
And where you are wrong so you can get some of those ideas out of your mind.
Well. I don't know. I have no breastfeeding, so I don't know. We're talking about baby.
Yes, I'm talking about the baby.
All right, I got it.
We're gonna start this out with some lighthearted trivia.
Okay.
Do you know what trivia means?
No.
Trivia means I'm gonna ask you questions and sometimes you answer multiple choice to see who's correct.
Oh,
I have to ask.
I see.
Question 1. What was the weight of the heaviest baby ever born?
The heavy one?
In the world,
Yep.
the heaviest baby in the world was, I have it,
Oh. Ooh. You talking about Asian baby or you talking about American baby?
Just all babies.
greatest, biggest baby, breaking record, Mom. The average baby is 7 to 8 pounds. Baby J right now is 4.5.
Okay.
And the baby should be growing for a pound a week at this point. So that means I have 6 weeks left, so 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So what I learned is not correct. Don't listen to what I'm saying. I have to remember it again.
Show me.
I think 11 pounds, or maybe 12.
To me, I say 9 pounds for the baby big, but for the regular, it's like almost 6 pounds.
In 1955 in Italy, a baby was born weighing 22 pounds 8 ounces.
No.
Look at this guy.
22 pounds, that's a lot.
What hole did that come out of?
That's too much.
Where? I need to see a picture of this baby. Google this baby.
Oh my God, that's too much.
right.
Don't get any ideas.
What is the first sense, so you know the 5 senses, that a baby acquires after birth? Sight, smell, sound, touch, and taste.
The baby, the one get
This
first.
is easy.
The perfume. Smell of the mother,
Sound.
perfume.
So I think that the baby, when it's on its way out, he or she is like listening to uterus bubbles, like it's coming, and then you hear, it's a boy or it's a girl, so it's got to be sound.
Oh, I misunderstand you.
No, you understood. Yeah, that's right. You think it smells you first.
Yeah, that's
Okay, so
say
you
that.
said it right.
perfume.
So they
Perfume.
smell first.
That's
Yeah.
right first, yeah, smell.
Okay, you're both wrong.
What is it?
Touch.
Touching.
Oh, well, yeah, your face is gonna be scrubbing against the vagina walls on the way out.
God,
like, duh.
touch, whatever,
But
okay.
like, nobody knows what that is. That's
Okay.
stupid.
On average, how many diapers does a baby use in its first year?
Oh.
Carry the 1, 12, 15, 18.
How many in the box now? I forgot how many in the box.
In a year, how many diapers does a baby use?
I just say like a 40 box. Depend if the baby got a lot of diarrhea.
1,950 diapers.
So, Mama, you said 40 boxes?
40
Okay.
boxes because the box is
Okay,
big,
well,
you know.
Jeannie, you are pretty darn close. The answer is 2,100 diapers.
Wow.
We're gonna give you that one because
Because they're
Okay.
probably thinking 8 diapers a day. My kid's not that much. I win.
Okay, next question. On average, how many calories can you burn a day by breastfeeding?
There's you're supposed to eat 2,000 calories a day. Breastfeeding like gets rid of a lot, and I've seen some women come out like skinny.
I don't know.
So I'm
I have
gonna
no
say-
breastfeeding, so I don't know.
Too late. Let's go. 1,000 calories.
Mama Mai wins this one. It's 550 calories.
Ah, thank you. Thanks God.
After all that work, your nipples, you practically go nipple bald. It's so much work to pump, and then you've got to like dump the alcoholic pumps, and then
Well-
you've got to find room in the freezer, and then you've got to like.
True or false? Babies are born without kneecaps.
Without what?
Kneecaps. True. Babies are born without kneecaps. They instead have cartilage
Ooh,
that
Mama,
later turns
right.
into bones.
You didn't even understand the question.
Well, at least the answer true.
This is how my mom passed her citizenship test, just so you know.
How many bones are babies born with? How many bones?
Bone, B-O-N-E. B-O-N-E.
Yeah.
Okay, I got it.
Wait, which bone? You talking the back and everywhere?
Yep.
3,
Boom, boom, boom.
2,
Boom.
What are you gonna do? Count your bones right now?
Yeah, I'm thinking about it.
Mom, you think you only have 40 bones?
You think
Have
the baby
seen-
has 2,000?
Bone 1, 5. Oh, yeah.
Like your
5.
knuckles?
The correct answer is 300 bones.
Oh, to the bone? Oh, goodness.
How come when I debone a chicken, that so many bones?
300. Can't believe it, those questions.
So we're getting into opinions now. Opinions about Baby J. What food are you most excited to introduce Baby J to when they're old enough?
Oh, easy. Pho?
Homemade food, vegetable.
Yeah, I want them to eat vegetable. The most important vegetable. The kid, they hate vegetable.
No, it is so important for Baby J to understand and appreciate the soup of our people. Pho, it's the staple.
I agree with you.
Absolutely important. And you can put vegetables in there, Mom.
Yeah, whatever vegetable come first. That's what I'm thinking.
What travel destination are you most excited to take Baby J to?
Vietnam and Africa. I want Baby J to really learn, and I need to learn more about our cultures.
I want Hawaii. I love Hawaii.
Hawaii?
Yeah.
Mom, that's like an. Are you kidding me?
No, because when
That's part of the U.S.
that's what I like.
At what age is Baby J allowed to have a cell phone connected to the internet and all that that means?
15.
Wow.
And no Instagram.
When teachers say need
Need to do homework.
need to do homework.
16 or something.
Baby J is going to have a phone that can call mommy, daddy, emergency contacts, no Wi-Fi until 15.
We'll see.
How much money should Mama Mai charge to babysit Baby J per hour?
Well.
This is a negotiation moment, Mama.
0. Because she's already going to be getting free family time, free pictures, free gifts from me, free food, free home, a free car, and free flights anywhere she wants to go. So everything is free dollars.
Free for now, but they should give me something so I can buy something for the baby. That's my grandchild.
We'll think about it.
What is one skill that you have that you're excited to teach Baby J?
What did you write?
I teach them how to say Papa, Mama, and Grandmama.
I'd like to teach the kid to feel for others.
Feel for order? What do you mean feel for order?
Like, understand people, their problems, their emotions. Feel
We're
for
talking
other
about
people.
baby.
Yes, I'm talking about the baby.
The baby don't know how to feel first. You have to learn how to say Papa, Mama, Grandmama. That's how the baby. You think that the baby very smart, know everything?
Yes, our baby will be
No,
very smart.
I'll teach different.
What do you want Baby J to be when they grow up?
Happy.
Okay.
Genuinely happy inside.
I'm different. Show independence and show your love and help the people when they need help. That's
I
what
agree with
want.
those two. Mom, this next part, by the time everybody watches this, because I'm only 6 weeks away, Baby
Right.
J will already be here. So what we're doing right now, since Baby J is still here, we are just predicting what will happen.
What day, month, and day will Jeannie give birth?
I'm due on my birthday, January 4th, but I heard that first-time moms always give birth early.
You come out 2 weeks later.
I did?
Yeah.
Okay, then I'm gonna follow my mom then because I do think that I'm gonna be like her. So I'm gonna say January 10th.
2 weeks after January 4.
Let me do the math for you.
24th.
January 18th.
Oh.
Okay, January 18.
Oh my God, so messy looking at your board.
How long will Jeannie be in labor?
Oh my God.
I heard that I should start doing these exercises now in order to not be in labor too long. So I'm massaging things down there, walking a lot to like stretch stuff. I've started to try to do the splits. It hasn't worked. I would like to be in labor for 1 hour.
I think 8 hours. I went to the hospital, 8 hours you born. That's why after that, I don't want to have any more baby.
And then you had 2 more.
Because you asked, Mom, I'm so lonely. I want to have a brother or sister.
You can have them back now.
That's how.
What will the birth weight be?
No, that's too much. 7.5.
7 pounds.
Okay.
I think 7 pounds.
What color eyes will baby J have? Oh, okay.
Yep.
Will baby J have a lot of hair?
I believe so.
I believe yes, because I get a lot of heartburn, and I heard somewhere, some of you fam told me that when you get a lot of heartburn, that means the baby's gonna be really hairy.
Really? Do you know when you're born, you don't have that much hair? I have to shave several times.
You shaved my head?
I shaved 3 or 4
That's why I don't
times.
have a lot of hair today, Mom.
No, I keep shave so your hair more stronger.
That is the worst thing to do.
I even cut your eyelashes.
You cut my eyelashes, Mom?
Yeah, when you were
Do
born.
you notice we both have fake eyelashes on right now?
Everybody have a fake eyelash. What the hell?
Mom, people who cut their eyelashes.
No, you have
No,
everything
let me
leaders.
see.
I have to
Mom,
trim it.
that is not-
No, I didn't cut. I trim. I trim when you sleep. I put the Vaseline on the scissor and I trim it to make it grow
I
more
would
longer.
never do that to
faster.
our child. I would never. You're not allowed to do anything to the baby without
I don't.
Do you hear me?
I will
You're
not
not
do it.
allowed to cut, to pierce ears, nothing. You
No, I don't anymore. I'm different now. Different before.
shaved
okay.
my head 3 times.
Yeah, when you 1 or 2 years old.
I have thin hair today, and I think it's because my hair never got a chance.
Whatever. Go ahead.
Is Jeannie having a boy or a girl?
What do I say, Paul? I don't know.
If you don't want, you could do a big question mark if you want. I mean, it's a big wussy move, but
I don't know why, but the baby is very emotional, and this is a total stereotype. Women may display their emotions more than boys, so I feel an emotional connection with the baby. So I think it's a girl, but then I put a boy because maybe then it's a really sensitive boy.
Boy, because her stomach point out. Don't think about a sensitive like that, Jeannie, because when I pregnant, you know, you really kick a lot. You act like a boy, so I thought I want to have a boy, but you come out as a girl.
We don't know, but
Okay, we'll see.
healthy is what we want.
Yeah, that's what we want. Healthy baby.
What is your first memory of me as your daughter when you brought me home from the hospital?
That's the one I have no experience.
Let me just preface that my mom was, how old were you?
I think like at that time, 1920 like that.
I always get this age wrong.
Yeah,
How old were you?
I think 20.
Oh, how old were you when you came here?
I think like a 17.
17. So that's what I always mix up. My mom came here at 17 and then she had me 2 years later.
I don't have experience, so I put too many blanket. You know, because you born in January too cold. Papa might drive the car. As soon I get to the apartment, the baby come out ready. I didn't know. I still holding the blanket all the way to
I
the.
slipped out of her hands
Yes.
and I fell in the corner of the car.
But you sleepy, you know, so we don't know.
Do you guys, like, are you understanding this? She had me wrapped like a burrito and I fell out into, where did I fall?
The thing is, my tissue, the Volvo car.
A Volvo stick shift
Yeah,
area.
and we don't know.
Then,
Then I have to go upstairs and I put the blanket down. That's it, and I go eat because I'm hungry. So I leave it there, and then you sleep for the whole how many hours, and then later on I go inside to try to feed you, and then I realize you're not there. So I look around. I thought you on the floor, top, whatever. We didn't see you, and we passed by the car. We don't even see you too.
were you nervous? Tell them what you did.
Upset, nervous, and called the police to report we missing the baby, and they asked they asked me what's the baby look like.
My mom drew a picture of what the baby looked like in order for the cops to identify where I could be. This is what my mom drew.
I mean, you too little. I don't remember.
Jeannie, you were just in the car?
Hold on.
The Jeannie in the car the whole time, and she doesn't cry. That's why we don't know.
She drew this. She drew a face with blankets,
Yeah,
2 eyes, and blankets.
I have no experience at all, honestly. Later on, the baby cry. Police go around. They go downstairs. They look at it again, and they found you in there.
By the stick shift,
Yeah.
laying there crying.
I make a lot of mistake because nobody trained me. Okay. Now for my mistake, I will share with you.
I'm not really sure what we learned today, but the good news is I have a loving grandma who's gonna take care of baby J with us. and this baby's gonna be filled with love. We can't wait to see you soon.
Oh my God, so hard, like a rock, huh? Yeah, I love the baby so much.
Don't forget to subscribe, please, so you can find out every time we have a new episode. Mwah.